Hey guys, Brent here. Welcome to this week's Steam Culture. Now this week we're going to talk about socks. Now you know socks these days aren't the socks of old, the old kind of gray or white dingy jobs. You know, the young people, they like the socks. They like to wear them with their khakis, the athletic. You see the CrossFit guys wearing funky socks all the way up to their knees. I went out on a limb and I got myself some socks. Look, they got bacon and eggs, which is perfect because that's exactly what I went shopping for. Anyway, moving on. So I wanted to tell you something that socks, they're made with steam. Now, there's a lot of sewing that you can imagine goes on. It's pretty impressive. A lot of robotics, yarn coming together. Go watch these videos of these sock factories and they're putting these things together super fast, but that's not as impressive as the steam part. Here's what happens. They got this machine and they have a large form. It almost looks like a flat version of the leg lamp in the Christmas story, and they're going to feed the sock over top of it. That steam sets the shape of the sock. So that it's not a wrinkly mess every time you wash it. It comes back to its original shape, and then you can just fold it up and off you go. And after that, they take those socks off those boards, put them in the package, and send them to your house. And because they're made with steam, when you take them out of the washer and put them in the dryer and take them out, they're going to be in the original shape that you bought them in. Now, maybe you didn't know that socks were made with steam, but you know now because you watch Steam Culture. Well, thanks for joining me this week. I'll be working hard for you next week to make some new content, but in the meantime, we got other content, so go out online and watch and see how they make socks. And remember, with socks, everyone has their own original style, so don't judge. As for me, I'm bringing back a classic. Old guy knee-high socks for the summer.